I think good teachers create good learners, and these good learners can actually become great citizens. Maraming problema ang lipunan natin dahil watak-watak tayo. At ang karamihan ay walang pakialam, walang civic responsibility. Kaya naisipan ko na gumawa ng mga programa na masusolusyonan ito. Gusto namin maunawaan nila na ang science, technology, engineering at math ay hindi lang para sa classroom, kundi makapangyarihang kasangkapan para lutasin ang malalaking issue gaya ng climate change, inequality at environmental degradation. K4P fosters social-emotional learning and teaches compassion, diplomacy, and empathy as transformative skills. Our vision is clear and powerful: to raise a generation of compassionate and fair-minded change makers who will champion peace in their communities and beyond. Patuloy tayong maglingkod sa bayan dahil sa bawat batang natututo at sa bawat puso nating nahahawakan, mas nalalapit tayo sa isang bansang may kapayapaan, katarungan at malasakit para sa lahat.